So hey there guys, welcome back to Two Wheel Lunatic, and in today's video we are going to see how to install the Aprillia 305 disc brake lock for all of your motorcycles, or probably if you own a disc braked two-wheeler, gearless two-wheeler, for example the Aprillia SR 150, TVS N-Torque, or whatsoever gearless scooter you own. So this video is going to be on the disc brake lock, so let's begin. This is the type of the box you get for the lock, and on opening the box you can see the disc brake lock at the first. So this is the Aprillia 305 disc brake lock, and the build quality of this thing is just next level. I mean, it's really heavy in weight and you can just feel the strength of this particular lock. And also you get two keys inside it, as you can see. So there are two keys, so in case you lose one of them you have one left with you already. So this is basically the lock, and this is the place from where you get to open the keys. So this is the insertion hole for the keys. So I'll just quickly show you that how to insert the keys, because most of the people fail to insert the keys right into this lock. So the process is really very simple. You just have to do it like this and it won't go. So you would at the first sight you would try to do it like this, but it won't go. So the correct method is to put it through this hole. So if you put it this hole, and as you can see, the key goes inside the lock. So now let's see how to set up this on the disc brake. So let us quickly understand the mechanism of this lock and how to lock and unlock this particular thing. Okay, so here's a metal rod that goes all the way through the hole of your disc brake, and as you can see, like this, and just twist it towards your left hand side. So as you can see, once you twist it towards the left hand side, it locks, and to unlock it you just have to twist it again like this and it comes out. So this is really very easy. And now let's just jump on to the disc brakes to install this. At times what happens is most of the people tend to keep it like this, and in turn it becomes difficult for them to unlock or lock it. So what I prefer is to keep the keys on the outer side. So to get you guys a better view, I'll be changing the angle and zooming in a bit, so you'll be understanding. At first it might be very difficult for you guys to just install the lock in the hole that you have selected, but a tip you can say, I'd like to give you guys a tip, that always make sure you insert the lock in a fixed hole, because you'll get habituated to that hole, and then probably it'll be easy for you guys to just always lock it. And now we are beginning with the lock. So as you can see, I'm installing at this particular place, moving it a bit up and down. Okay, taking it towards the left, easy, and I'm taking it out, and here's lock. So this is how you can lock it. As you can see, you can keep it like this or even like this, but I prefer it to keep it like this because it will fall down. So I always prefer in turn to keep it like this. Secondly, there will be a link in the description box below, an Amazon link for you to buy it. It's not an affiliate link. I'm a really very small YouTuber right now, so it's not an affiliate link, but that link might help you to order the disc brake lock. So thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, then do go ahead and give it a like button. It motivates me to create more videos like these. And talking about the price, I got this brake lock for around 1500 rupees from Amazon. So the price currently might be the same, or it may vary over time depending upon the time you're watching this video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll hope to see you in the same next video.